Hi, this is Darren with Smartsheet Guru. A user in the Smartsheet community asked the question of how to look up the text of a predecessor when a task is marked as late. So this video was made to answer it. Let's see how to do this. First, I'll show how this works. When a task is marked as late, the gating task column will show the text of the preceding task. This is looking at row 9, which is row 9 there. Let's say one down here is looking at row 3. So you can see the task name on row 3 is Project Kickoff. This solution, as is, works for tasks that have a single finish to start predecessor. For other types of predecessors, the formulas are more complex and would need to use a solution like my task ready to start solution. What do the formulas look like? First, you'll need to add an auto number column. In this example, I called it row ID. Next, you'll need to get the row number. This is a column formula using the match function to find the index of the current row's row ID in the range of row IDs. Then we'll need to convert the predecessor column to a proper format for using in formulas. All we need to do is have a column formula set equal to the predecessor's column like this. Now the magic can happen in the gating task column. Using an index match column formula, we can find the text of the task name corresponding to the predecessor of the task. Wrapping this in an if statement, looking at the task is late checkbox ensures only the predecessor's task name is displayed when it is marked as late. And if you're looking for more Smartsheet tips, sign up for my email list, smartsheetguru.com/tips. Thanks for watching.